Hey guys, welcome back to TechTube, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download Crunchyroll on your Windows. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to download Crunchyroll, you just simply have to open any of your browser into your computer, and after opening the browser, just simply search for Crunchyroll for Windows. And after searching that, this first option, Crunchyroll Microsoft's apps, will appear. Just simply click into that option. You just simply have to click into this download button. After doing this, your Crunchyroll installer will be downloaded. You just simply have to select this installer and then click to this install button. And after doing this very easy steps, depending on your internet connection, your Crunchyroll application will be downloaded shortly. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.